Today, we are about to check out what you can get for under $1 million in Garden Ridge, Texas. We're about 15 minutes from San Antonio, 30 minutes from Fort Sam, Houston, and 30 minutes to Randolph Air Force Base. Okay, so let's first of all check out this driveway that has 2 entry points. And we do have a 3-car garage. This home is a mixture of stucco and stone with a light cream color and a dark brown color. So we do have 2 steps that lead to the entrance of the home. If we wrap around, we do have an extra space right there. So this home is available now, but as you can see, we have a lovely grand entrance that leads to our office space that's right off of the main door. We have the espresso shutters and a window above that, but look at this entrance. So it leads right into the open concept area. Look at this ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. The windows that give a lot of natural light. In this home, we have our fireplace. So the first place that we're going to tour is our first bedroom. And on this wing of the house, we have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. And it's right off of our single-car garage. Okay. And this has its own ensuite with a walk-in shower and our walk-in closet. And we do have a lighter brown flooring. And again, we have our wooden shutters that are in that same espresso brown as the trim for the shower. And we have the overlook of the loft area right there. So this home does have 2 islands. So the first island, it is extended, so we could probably fit about 3 to 4 bar stools right here. And we have the 2-tone cabinets with the espresso right in the middle that kind of divides the cabinetry. So we have our gas range, but right above that we have our vent that is espresso brown and has this built-in cabinetry that looks very nice. It complements the dark that's in the actual countertops for the kitchen. So we have our built-in appliances. And let's move around to this second island. We also have the extra space for the stools on this side. Our dishwasher. We have our farm style sink. It's a black sink. And we have our water system. And this is our second set of cabinets and the purse that says that this house should be yours. Now, it's not a lucky purse, but it is a sign because it's not orange. We are Go Spurs Go over here, so we're not doing the lucky purse that's orange, but we are doing the purse that lets you know that this is your house. So right here you have your dining room area. We have 4 windows, and we are about to go to the next wing of the house that has some storage right underneath the garage, right underneath the stairs. And our second bedroom that has our ensuite. This one does have a tub instead of that walk-in shower. And we also have our walk-in closet with some extra cabinets right there and shelving for storage. Okay, so moving along, we have our half bathroom. So this is the half bathroom for the first floor. We do have one on the second floor as well. So this home is 5 bedrooms. It has 5 full bathrooms and 2 half bathrooms. Okay, so we have our walk-in closet for this bedroom. And for this bathroom, we also have our tub as well. And this is the side that has our mudroom and our 2-car garage. We do have a tankless hot water heater. It's pre-plumbed for a water softener. And this home does have irrigation. Okay, so now we are going to the primary bedroom. So we have our windows, we have our beams up in the ceiling, and we have our double doors that lead into the bathroom. So the tile transitions from this light brown to this dark tile that has the 2-tone cabinets as well, similar to the kitchen where the espresso is in the middle. And we have our powder room. And there is a medicine cabinet right there on one side of the sink. So we have our floor to ceiling tile. We have our window right above our soaking tub. And on this side, we have our shower and floor to ceiling tile as well. Okay, so now we have our walk-in closet. It has storage all the way up to the top of the ceiling on one side. Have our built-in shelves right there. And we move right along. Actually, there is a connection for a washer and dryer right there. So that's pretty cool. And then we have our secondary connection. So this would be where our laundry room would be. And right off of the kitchen, we have our prep kitchen. and our pantry. And that leads right to the first floor patio. So it's very spacious and oversized, and it overlooks this half-acre lot. So the first 20 feet are side, but if we look at the total lot size, if you can see the neighbor's yard where that fence ends, that will be where your property line will end for this lot. Okay, so now that is actually the end of our first floor tour. So we're gonna make our way up to the second floor, and we are going to see that balcony and look at that room and half bathroom and bathroom up there. So like I was saying, we are about 30 minutes to Randolph Air Force Base and 30 minutes to Fort Sam Air Force Base. So if you are relocating to the San Antonio area, I would like to encourage you to check out my relocations guide that will be linked in the description below. As we enter into right off of the stairs, we have our first half bathroom and our loft area that overlooks the first floor. Just look at that ceiling, we get a better look of it. And this is an extra storage room right off of the loft. So Garden Ridge is known for its scenic views. It was a part of San Antonio until 1972, just a fun fact. So you get that, the acreage, you get the land, you get the trees out here. So if you love being close to the city but having those views that are very scenic and naturist, then this community was definitely for you. So this is our bedroom, full bathroom on the second floor. Does have that medicine cabinet built in as well. And we have our full walk-in closet that is very spacious. And we have another closet. So if you are interested in this home, it is still available. All of the details will be in the description below. And I can be reached at 830-369-1776 if you would like more information. But we are about to tour this balcony. And look at that view. Thank you so much for watching.